Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I want to show you my updated skincare routine. It's definitely changed and I definitely found things that work better for my skin, and I want to show you guys what I've been doing lately because I've been noticing a big difference. Right now my skin doesn't look its best. I've been feeling pretty under the weather, and traveling kind of disrupts the balance because I'm just like not as on it as I am at home with my skincare. Can you please stop? But nonetheless, I want to show you guys what I've been doing recently. So without further ado, here we go. So I want to start this tutorial off with a full face of makeup so you can see how I fully clean my face. First things first is I go in with my Merida cleansing wipes. These are super affordable. You can get them at the dollar store, and I like to use these just to remove the initial layer of makeup, get like the bulk of it off. And then once I am done with that, I'm going to move on to using a cleansing balm. So I use the Physicians Formula 3-in-1 Matcha cleansing balm, and this is a melting balm. So if you don't really like using a lot of excess towels or cotton swabs, this is great because all you need is your fingers, and basically you just rub it all over your face and it breaks down waterproof mascara, liquid lipsticks. Every last bit of makeup will come off with this. Then I move on to rinsing off my face, and then I'm going to go on to cleansing my face. So I use the Biore charcoal cleanser. This really strips my face of impurities and dirt. And then I'm going to go in with the Hydra Boost cleansing gel. This one's more gentle, but it also is going to allow your skin to be more hydrated and not completely dried out from that first cleansing balm. And I'll just start with my hands to initially put the product on my face. Then I'm going to go in with a face cleansing brush, and this is going to help to give you a much deeper clean because these bristles are really just going to go into the pores and get rid of all of that leftover dirt off of your face. And you can get electronic versions of these, but honestly, these ones that are not electronical I find work just as well and perfectly suit my needs. And I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face off, and I'm just going to take a clean towel and pat my face dry. It's really important to pat. It's going to decrease the chance of you getting wrinkles later on. I will then go in with my Pixi Glow Tonic. So this is an exfoliating toner. It has 5% glycolic acid in it, and this helps you gently peel the skin. So if you have a lot of acne scarring, this is going to help to diminish them over time. And this toner is very gentle, so you can use it and it's not going to irritate the skin too much. Next, I'll go in with my Joviance facial serum. As you can see, I use it a lot. This also has glycolic acid in it to help peel the skin. It is much stronger, so I would suggest using it every other day before using it every day to give your skin some time to get used to it. I will also add my Mint Pear Rosehip Night Serum, and this serum honestly made the biggest difference to my skincare. I noticed my skin looked a lot smoother, my acne was really reduced, my skin overall just looked more glowy. This was amazing, and I really would recommend this oil out of everything in this video. I will then massage all of that into my face and neck because we do not want to neglect our neck when we're doing our skincare. And then I'm going to go in with my Garnier moisturizer. This is a facial moisturizer, so it's nice and lightweight. You can also use it as a mask if you want some extra hydration. And again, I will just massage this into my face and neck. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and use my E.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. I don't really know if I've noticed much of a difference with this. Since I already have it though, I want to use it up. Under eye bags and dark circles aren't really something I struggle with, so maybe that's why I don't see a difference. Then I'll finish off with lip balm. I use the Lanoliops 101 ointment for when my lips are really dry, or the Quay lip balm for when I don't need as much moisture. And I find both are really great lip balms for different needs. I also want to add, I use the Clearasil Rapid Action Vanishing Treatment Cream for when I have to spot treat certain acne pimples, and I find this does help diminish them over a couple of days. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this updated skincare routine. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and until next time, bye!